Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer: if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first, let's press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, use the down button to scroll down, select the settings option, and then press the start/stop button to enter. Now let's scroll down by pressing the down button. Keep scrolling down until you find the system option. Select it and press the start/stop. Here, scroll down, find the reset option, select it, and then press the start/stop. And right here we have two options: reset default settings and delete data and reset settings. If you select this one, basically you will reset the settings to the factory default, but you will leave the user data on the watch. If you want to remove everything, so basically reset the settings and remove the data, select the second option, then press the start/stop button, press the down button to continue, select yes, then press the start/stop button to confirm. And now let's wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, this means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.